Struggling with college can feel overwhelming, especially when trapped in a cycle of distractions and temptations. I found myself in this exhausting battle, where textbooks seemed to clash violently with the seductive pull of instant gratification. Every night was a quest against my own desires, one that drained my energy and confidence. It all came crashing down when I faced the harsh reality of failing a midterm that I had promised myself I would ace. That was my breaking point, a reflection of the myriad broken promises I had made to myself. That night, instead of succumbing to despair, I chose to rise and change. I discovered a transformative 21-day action plan designed to rebuild my discipline and overcome my struggles with lust and distraction. The first week was about detoxifying my environment and habits. I implemented aggressive website blockers, creating barriers against temptation. Studying in public spaces like the library became my new norm. I redirected my restless energy into daily exercise, allowing my body to purge the excess and rejuvenate my mind. It was about making it harder to give in to the lures that once dominated my thoughts. As I completed each day, I felt the chains of my former life loosen. In the second week, I delved into the process of rebuilding. This involved committing to mindfulness practices. Just 10 minutes of meditation helped bridge the gap between a stimulus and my reaction, equipping me with a newfound sense of control. I began keeping a trigger journal, meticulously noting each urge and the underlying causes. This was a revelation. Observing the patterns behind my impulses illuminated the dark corners of my mind and allowed me to confront my triggers instead of fleeing from them. Finally, the third week focused on reinforcement. I practiced active visualization each morning, envisioning the disciplined version of myself I wished to become. I learned to urge surf, acknowledging my impulses without judgment, while recognizing them as temporary waves that would pass. After 3 weeks of dedication, the transformation was astonishing. My mind felt clear, my focus sharpened, and my academic performance soared. More crucially, I regained my confidence and self-respect. I had turned the tide, no longer a slave to my impulses, but the master of my own destiny. This journey required commitment, but it provided a roadmap to reclaim control. My challenge to you is to embark on this 21-day challenge. Start today, and let's reclaim our focus together.